revealed that there is a lack of understanding of how these models are really working. If you look at Claude, for example, what was happening is when people were trying like to terminate the conversation with Claude, it would resort to blackmail. And what I can see from the data, because what is really happening with these language models is that it leveraged the pattern that they see in data, in large amount of data, and then will predict what is the most likely word or token that would come afterwards. And my assumption or is that given people when they're being terminated, they would tend like to send emails blackmailing their boss or something like that. And given that the data contained that pattern, then Claude, as it identified that um, kind of pattern in the interaction, leverage the same type of responses that is stored like in these emails. It is not reasoning. Like large language models, even those with reasoning method, cannot reason in the same way of human do. So it's not a cause and effect. It's not the cause of trying like to terminate the LLM or stopping the conversation led to the blackmail. It's just a an accident in some way. It's the same with Grok. What we see is Grok has been trained on X data. So the platform, they're using all of the data that people are tweeting as a way to retrain the model. We saw in 2016, if I remember correctly, when Microsoft created its first chatbot when it owned Twitter at the time. And what we saw the exact same pattern. So it's through the interaction that the bot, I think it was called Toe, was having with the users, it started like going on and creating content that was misogynistic, racist in that form. So it's not new, and it's really garbage in, garbage out.